welcome to this new class. Well, you remember we have been learning about the past of the verb be. Yes, the past simple tense. And today it's time to learn about questions. Yes, how can we structure questions using the past of the verb be? Well, come on, let's see it. The first thing you need is the past of the verb be. Of course, you know it could be was or were, and negative form wasn't or weren't, right? And after that, in every question, well, we need a subject. The subject could be a pronoun, a noun, a person, an animal, a thing, right? And finally, you can use a phrase, a complement, right? And don't worry to practice the short answer, affirmative or negative one. So come on, let's see some examples here, and then you could make your own. So the first one is, was I in your class? Look at it, this is the affirmative option. Was I in your class? Or, of course, you can make the negative option. Wasn't I in your class? Yes, you were. Or, no, you weren't. I don't remember you. Yes? So here, we use the correct past of the verb be for the subject. I mean, was I, wasn't I? It's up to you if you want to use the affirmative or the negative option. And well, come on, let's see the second example here. Were you at the party? Of course, this is a question. Were you at the party? Weren't you at the party? Well, yes, I was. Or maybe, no, I wasn't, I was sick. So, one more time. We use the subject you. So the correct option is were or the negative form were, and it's up to you. Come on, let's see the next one. We have was or wasn't. And here, of course, the subject could be he, she, it, or if you prefer, a noun. Maybe, was he at the gym? Was Jimmy at the gym? Or wasn't she in class? Was Victoria in class? Or why not? Was it a good party? Yes, it was. Or no, it wasn't. So, of course, use the correct short answer. And finally, look at it. We have the option were or weren't. And in this case, you can use different subjects like we, you, they. Were we, weren't we, were you, were they, weren't they? Yes, and with the complement. Were we in your class? Weren't you at the school? Were they at the hotel? Yes? Well, it's up to you the answers. Maybe were we in your class? No, you weren't. Or weren't you at school? Yes, we were, of course. Or finally, weren't they at the hotel? No, they weren't at the hotel. Alright, so that's it. So one more time, remember, in order to structure questions, the first thing you need is the past of the verb be, and then a subject. Of course, use the correct form of the verb be for each subject. Was I, were you, was he, she, it, were we, you, they, and then a complement. So come on, now it's time to practice.